What is Bitcoin? Is it an investment scam or legit? What's the best way of investing in Bitcoins for beginners? Bitcoin entered the market with a bang, a digital currency that could potentially revolutionize how we view and transact with money. It's built on a technology called blockchain, which is essentially a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network. But is it legit or a sophisticated scam? That's the million-dollar question. It's legit, but not without its controversies and volatility. Think of Bitcoin as the digital gold of the internet era. Just like the gold rush, we've seen wild price swings, people making fortunes, and inevitably, some getting burned. But calling Bitcoin a scam brushes off the genuine innovation and the growing acceptance of cryptocurrency as an asset class. Now, if you're in Portland like me, you might be cautious about how these techie things, as cool as they may seem, fit into your wet, evergreen life. Trust me, they do, especially when you see businesses around the city starting to accept Bitcoin as a payment option. So, what's the best way for beginners to invest in Bitcoin? First off, education is your best investment. Get a firm grasp on what Bitcoin is, how blockchain works, and what the risks are. There are plenty of resources out there, from online courses to forums full of crypto enthusiasts. Once you've studied up, you'll need a digital wallet to store your Bitcoin. These come in many forms: apps, hardware wallets, even paper wallets. Make sure it's secure, and remember, in the crypto world, if you lose your keys, access codes to your wallet, there's no bank to call for help. Next up, finding a place to buy Bitcoin. There are lots of exchanges, but for beginners, stick to the more established ones like Coinbase or Binance. They're user-friendly, and Coinbase even lets you set up an account with an automatic purchase plan, so you can invest gradually, a strategy known as dollar-cost averaging. It's a smart move considering Bitcoin's famous price swings. Consider starting small, and only with money you're prepared to lose. Bitcoin's like a roller coaster in Portland's Oaks amusement park, except instead of going around in a predictable loop, it's a bit wilder. Just remember, investing in Bitcoin is just one strategy in the universe of investing. Diversification is key, so don't put all your eggs in one crypto basket. And never invest under pressure. This isn't a race to the moon, despite what the memes say. To sum it up, Bitcoin is legit, but it comes with significant risks. It's not a traditional investment, and it's certainly not a scam if approached with due diligence, care, and a bit of that Portland patience for the organic to grow. After all, just like the best things in this city, good things often take time.